Hey guys, so welcome back to my channel. If you're new to this channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button and also hit the bell icon besides it to get notified whenever I upload a new video. So the very first thing that I want you to know about reaching your first $1,000 online is that it's very much possible in the first 60 days of your freelancing journey. Now I know many people have this myth that they can't even reach 20 to 30,000 rupees as a freelancer, which is like crazy, because I feel like that is the bare minimum that you should be earning as a beginner freelancer. And let me tell you the first step into your journey to reach your first $1,000. Now the first step is learning a very high valuable result oriented skill. Now what do I mean by result oriented skill? Now I know that people are selling skills rather than selling results. So for example, if you are a website designer, you could sell something like, I will design your website in such a way that your conversions will increase by 500% or like 100% or like 200%. Like, give facts and numbers while you're pitching a client. That is super important. What people are doing today's world is like, they are just telling, I'll create so and so website, I'll give you 5 pages in that, I will provide you with a good design. That's not the way that you pitch your client. The client needs to know that your service is valuable to them and their revenue will increase just by the way you are creating the website for them. So try and add numbers and facts while you're pitching your client. So the first thing is learning a result oriented skill. The second step that comes is mastering that skill. Now as a beginner freelancer, it's difficult to master the skill in the first go. So when I started out as a freelancer, I used to do like everything, and by doing everything I realized that I was pretty good at 1 or 2 things only, and after that I started doing those things repeatedly again and again and again. So I am currently like working as a designer as well as a social media manager. But when you initially saw my designs, it actually sucked. Like, it totally sucked, and I didn't even like my designs before. Like, when I see them now, I feel like, oh my god, what, like, are those designs made by me? So you will improve over time and you will be amazed by the progress you will make in the first 6 to 7 months, because those 6 and 7 months are very crucial for your learning journey. So try to take up as many jobs as possible for the first 6 to 7 months, and don't look at the money initially while you're trying to learn the skill. So what you'll do is, once you take up a lot of work also, that will help you increase your skill more and more, because the client will want a thing in a particular way, so he will give you a set of revisions as well. So in those revisions, I know that initially I used to get a lot of irritation, like, why is the client not happy with my work? But then I started realizing that once he tells me his feedback, I make the changes in the design, and it also helps me build my skill as well. So that is a very important part that you need to learn initially as a freelancer, because you will improve over time, but you will also learn how to manage client communication. Next part is finding international clients. Now finding international clients will seem like an unachievable goal if you haven't ever worked with international clients before, but trust me, it is so possible. And in today's day and age, it is super possible, because with the help of internet, with the help of Zoom, with the help of COVID, international clients are so easily available online that you can literally pitch your services and get them within like 30 to 40 days of starting your freelancing journey. So when I started my journey, I used 2 platforms hardcore, which were LinkedIn and Facebook groups. Now these 2 platforms are more than enough for finding international clients and good quality international clients. You'll easily be able to get them on Facebook groups. Like, join targeted groups that you think that your international clients are available. For example, if you are targeting some local businesses in a particular area of USA, then try to join that specific group and you will see there are tons and tons of Facebook groups. So you can go on to Facebook groups and LinkedIn and post content out there, and like try and engage with people. Don't just try to pitch your services in the first go, but go there, provide value about what you do, how you can help people, get on discovery calls, and know their requirement, what is required by them, and then you can pitch your services. So now if you want to reach $1,000 per month, now you'll have to reverse engineer that goal. So for example, if you require like 2 clients per month for $500, you'll easily be able to achieve $1,000. If you want to like decrease your rate a bit more, I don't recommend decreasing your rate at all, like less than $500 per client. But if you are not confident in charging $500 initially, then you can even reduce your rate to $350 per month, and that will approximately amount to $1,000 per month, and you will require 3 clients for that. So basically you're just breaking down your numbers, and that will give you like a fixed goal to achieve. So for example, if I'm telling you like finding 2 clients is not that hard, so with those like numbers, it's easily achievable to earn like $1,000 per month. And not only $1,000, if you go ahead in your journey and if you want to earn more than $1,000, you can start charging higher. So I typically now charge $1,000 per client, so it only takes me 1 client to reach $1,000, which helps me bring on more clients. So I can literally increase my revenue by the number of clients I work with, as well as when I increase my rate. Now getting $1,000 clients are called premium clients. Now let me tell you this, that charging more than $1,000 will require you to provide premium results as well. So for example, if you are a Facebook ads manager or if you are a Google ads manager, you will have to provide such kind of results in order to retain that client for a longer period of time. So customer satisfaction is something that you need to take into consideration while hiring the client. So having a very strong portfolio while you're working with a lot of clients is super crucial. So try, like when your client is hiring you, he should be super sure that you're going to be able to do the work that he tells you. So I hope you like this video, and I hope I could provide some value to you and help you reach your $1,000 per month goal. It is super achievable. I know people have these money blocks in their head that they can't achieve, like they haven't seen this much of money in their life, so it is like not possible to achieve that much. But it's totally not true. And let me tell you that there are people earning in India like $4,000, $5,000, $10,000 per month, sitting at their home, working from their laptop, working from cafes, traveling the world, and just with the help of their laptop. And it is super possible for you. Go on LinkedIn and see people, like see freelancers who are doing the same thing that you want to do. Ask them questions about how they are doing it and how you can achieve that goal for yourself. So it's 100% possible for you, and I definitely believe in you. So if you want more such content, I also post content on Instagram, so make sure to follow me at Digital Arwa on Instagram. I have also built a new content calendar free for all social media managers, so if you want it, grab it in the description box below. It is completely free. You just need to put in your name and email address and you will get the link for downloading it. So if you like this video, I'll see you next time in the next video. Till then, bye bye, take care, see ya.